How to solder wire on banana plug. First, strip off the wire about 3 to 4 mm. Insert shrink tube. And then insert the wire on terminal hole of the banana plug. And fold it like this. And then apply solder by heating the base and the wire together like this one. Then insert the shrink tube. Then apply heat on the shrink tube. Okay, thank you for watching. This is how to solder wire on banana plug.